In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your brake light switch on your Ford Focus. It's located under the brake pedal. First, I'm going to disconnect the connector. To do that, you're going to push in on this tab with a screwdriver and pull out the connector. Once it's disconnected, you're going to set that aside. And you're going to take your brake light switch, you're going to twist it and pull it out. To install, you're going to line up your brake light switch in this cutout on the metal pat with this plastic piece for the brake light switch. So the curved pat right here, make sure you line up with this. Feed it through. And then twist it to lock it in. Once it's locked in, you're going to plug in your connector. Make sure you hear that click, and you should be good to go. Now you should have a friend or somebody check your rear lights for brake lights and make sure they look like they're going off and on.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.